for company as they turn their way through the door of moves away from
Did you see he didn't get sideways around there? Jesus Christ.
Another really good start there by Ryan Smith.
That was interesting. I'm hoping for someone to dive up the inside.
Yes.
There's a train! Look, everybody, there's a train! Don't want you to miss out on anything. Should be drinking
Just a little bit of argy-bargy. Who doesn't like that?
Going down to the quite make it. The lead in the class, Bradley Smith, is going up the inside to grab the lead. And Bradley Smith leads Division 2. Great lead is trying the outside line for third. That's not going to pay off. The new Division 2 lead, and then it's truck number 46, Bradley Smith. They turn their way down to how it's nearly kept away. Craig Reed getting third.
Oh no, it's man. You gotta love us. One look at a car, you pretty much know what it is straight away. Unless it's something that's not interesting, then you don't bother.
I find that when I'm out with Dan, you know, I'll be like, oh, it's a cool car, look at that car, so I can tell them exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Or I'll go, oh Dan, look how cool this car is, this or whatever, and he's like, how the fuck do you know that?
You've got a truck across the grass, that's Thomas, he went straight on his run to
for God's sake.
fourth place, but not necessarily using track all the time there. It's just one thing now,
Where's Bint in the Volvo Wide? Do you think it's broken down? God damn it.
One switch
Best lorry out there as well. Gone.
I did give the goose a good one. Maybe I excited a bit too much and it's blew its load
Well, when you're racing a truck that's well over 30 years old, then
it's pretty incredible. Racing trucks that are 30 years old. I mean, we have trucks that are 10 years old that are absolutely shagged. We have trucks that are 3-4 years old that are absolutely shagged, man, you know.
Well, the thing is one of my favourite DVDs I have at home is Trucking Havoc, and it's got like hundreds of truck racing crashes from the 80s and 90s. I mean, the amount of Volvo Whites getting smashed up is ridiculous. So whenever I see that truck, I'm like, what has happened in that thing's past that like we don't know about? I mean, even nowadays, truck racing still isn't the cleanest. So, I mean, for it to still be out there, I mean, it's doing blooming good with the amount of knocks it's probably had over the years.
moment, and the power side by side again.
I do love the number 10 truck. I like the number 10 truck because it rolls a lot more coal than all the others.
It does, yeah.
When I was at Donington, I was like, he's my favourite, he's rolling coal. I'll never forget the days of, like I always used to say, you watch first place go by and then everybody else is invisible because they're in the clouds of smog.
Yeah, so we asked the long question.
Can't beat it. I'll tell you what though, I mean, I'd love to go watch like the European Truck Racing Championship. Apparently the round at Nürburgring is absolutely ridiculous. Because Nick used to work for one of the pickup trucks and they went over to support the European series at the Nürburgring one year, and they almost missed one of their races because there were so many spectators trying to look at the lorries in the pits. They couldn't get the pickup trucks through to the grid. I mean,
we'll have to go watch that at some point.
I mean, the dream would be go and watch the European Truck Racing Championship and then catch a Grand Prix.
Yes,
She's got in front of Steve Power as well, so two brothers have out of it down there. So here come our 3 leaders through the forum and down towards Murray.